I'm Sarah Speaker Group. I'm Edna Basera.
I'm Prince Lawrence Edison.
I'm Christian Dante Pato, Resurrection Channel.
And we are the
Group 3.
And we are here to present the Artino Project 14 Big Challenge.
Hi guys, this is the step-by-step by AP14 challenge. We have IRC, the jumper cable that uses 3 LK valve and 3 resistor 20K. Start. Put the IR receiver to available mode and insert the 3 jumper cable. Second, insert the 3 resistor. Next, insert the 3 LED bulb. Next, insert the jumper cable to available. And here's the final output of AP14 by challenge.
This is the code of AP14 with challenge. Sharp include iRemote.h, then int server pin is equal to 11, then semicolon, or pin connected to the IR receiver. Then int red pin equal to 13, then semicolon, for pin connected to LED. Same as int yellow pin is equal to 8, then semicolon, then int green pin is equal to 5, then semicolon. And then long red code is equal to 0xFD00 double Fs and the semicolon to change the state of the LED. Same as long yellow code is equal to 0xFD609Fs and the semicolon. Then long green code is equal to 0xFD20 then DF then semicolon. Then IR receive is equal to and then IR receive close open parenthesis inside is 11 then semicolon for create an IR receive object. Then the code results the semicolon for variable to store the decoded IR signal. And then for the void setup, close open parenthesis and then open curly bracket inside the pin mode, close open parenthesis inside this LED pin, comma, output and the semicolon to set LED pin as an output. Then pin mode, close open parenthesis, yellow pin, comma, output, then semicolon. And then pin mode, close open parenthesis, green pin, comma, output, and then semicolon. And then serial that begin inside this 9600 and then semicolon to start serial communication. Then IR receive that enable IR in, then close open parenthesis and then semicolon. And the last is close curly bracket. And then for the void loop, close open parenthesis, open curly bracket inside this if, close open parenthesis inside I receive that decode, then end results, then open curly bracket if an IR signal is received. Then inside the serial that print in, close open parenthesis inside the results, that value, comma, hex, and the semicolon to print the received IR code in hex. Then IR receive that resume, close open parenthesis, the semicolon to receive the next value. Example, if a specific button on the remote is pressed. Then if, close open parenthesis, inside this results that value, double equal, red code or RD code, then open curly bracket, to replace this with your remote button's hex code. Digital write, close open parenthesis, red pin, then comma, high, semicolon, then digital write, green pin, comma, low, then semicolon, then digital write, yellow pin, comma, low, and the semicolon, then close curly bracket. And for the else if, same as replace this with the remote button hex code. Else if close open parenthesis inside the results that value double equal, then green code or GRN code, then open curly bracket, inside this digital right, close open parenthesis, inside this red pin, comma, low, and then semicolon. Next one is digital right, close open parenthesis, inside this green pin, high, and then semicolon. Last one is digital right, close open parenthesis, inside this yellow pin, comma, low, and then semicolon. Another else if for yellow code, else if it close open parenthesis inside the results that value double equal for yellow code, then open curly bracket, inside this digital right, close open parenthesis, inside this red pin, comma, low, then semicolon. Next one is digital right, close open parenthesis, inside this green pin, then comma, low, and the semicolon. And last one is digital right, close open parenthesis, then inside this yellow pin, comma, high, and then semicolon. And for the last is 3 curly bracket, or 3 close curly bracket.
This is the output of AP14 infrared controlled light. So as you can see, this is the infrared, and the challenge of this AP14 or this infrared controlled light is we put 2 extra light bulbs or LED on our Arduino board, and so we can switch on which color we want. So by pressing the remote, it turns yellow, it turns green, and it turns red.